Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to put about the limit and 8 approach to positive infinity. So we have the integration from number 2 to 8. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln s. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides and we have the s over s. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 2, so we have number 2 in here, and I will put number 2 go in here to find the value of u. So u equals to ln number 2. When s equals to 8, that is from here. So I will put a go in here, and we can find the value of u. So number 2 we change by ln number 2. About a we change by ln 8. This one we change by u. The s over s we change by du. So if we want to put this one on numerator, we need to put the negative on the power. Next, we have the formula. Now, we can apply this formula in here. So we have the final answer. We put the bounds from ln number 2 to ln a. So I will put this one going here and this one going here. Next, so for this one we can put into the denominator. That should be like this. We put the negative in here and we have m minus 1. Now, we want to find the value of m to make sure that this is about convergent. So, to create about convergent, we need to make sure that this one they always under the denominator. So we have m minus 1 is greater than or equal to number 0. So they cannot be about the negative. If this one will go to negative, they will go back to numerator and this one will be divergent. So that's why we have m minus 1 is greater than or equal to number 0 and m should be greater than or equals to number 1. But if we put number 1 in here, you got about 0. 1 cannot divide by number 0. So in this situation, we cannot equals to number 1. So that should be about greater than number 0 in here. So when we consider about this one, we also consider about the domain of this one too. This is the end. Thank you for watching.